Well, welcome back to the channel, folks. We've got another good one for you today. What we're going to end up doing is working on the outboard. So I was having a little trouble seeing some steam come out of the exhaust port. And so what we're going to do is take off the foot, inspect the water pump. I got me a new one, and we're going to install either just the new impeller or the whole pump. So let's get this out of here. But first, we've got to take off that cover and get it out of the fence. Let's go. 11-mile-an-hour winds. We'll take the cover off. Let's just see how much water got in here from the last rain that we had. Well, got a little bit of water. It's all right. Now we'll vacuum down. First, gotta get a battery in. Well, that sucks. My mic little thing that goes on my USB just broke because of the wind. So this audio is not going to be that good, but let's keep going. Good. Get it out the fence now. All right, let's go grab the jack and make it happen, pal. Let's go grab that ladder. Bango, first try. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and try to explain this to you because I'm just trying to wing it. Good. There we go. Easy peasy. Guess we can go ahead and grab the other one, the new one. There we go. Zincs and everything are back on. We just gotta fill up the reservoir down there for the foot. So let's try to find that stuff. Gotta get some different pants. Well, off to Walmart we go. Well, that's not gonna work. Guess we gotta go to the lake. On second thought, let's just go ahead and hook it up to the hose. Butterfinger. I don't like those. Let's get some more. Well, we're peeing. Maybe we should go to the lake.